I have complete prediction for this October month for writing, listening, reading, and speaking. And I'm waiting for your messages, and I'm eagerly willing to share my prediction content with you. October month speaking prediction. Hi guys, Satyam this side, your IELTS coach. Thank you so much for always believing in my content and always having so much faith in my prediction videos. I'm again back with one more effective and productive video, and this time for speaking for the month of October. Whatever exam you are going to give, either it be computer based or pen and paper based, this video is applicable for you. If you're watching my video, I know you're surely looking for some source from where you can get accurate question for your predictions. And this YouTube channel is only made to help you all the students to get the prediction content. This time we will be having 25 topics for the month of October for speaking cue cards. And in this video, I will discuss 10 topics with you because it is not possible for me to discuss all the 25 topics. If any of you want 25 topics of prediction and also you want rest of the prediction content, that is writing task 1, writing task 2, reading and listening, you can WhatsApp me on the given number or you can also comment prediction and I will help you. Now moving to the main content of this video, that is our cue cards. The first topic for today is describe a successful sports person you admire. I belong to India and India is full of sports persons which we revere, that is respect and admire a lot. I will talk about Virat Kohli. Though I love Rohit Sharma, MS Dhoni, Sachin Tendulkar and other players as well, but Virat Kohli is someone on whom I can make a lot of content. So Virat Kohli, the cues are who this person is, what sports he or she plays, what achievement he or she has, and next is explain why you admire him or her. I will start my topic by saying that since my childhood, I have huge propensity, that is huge interest towards playing sports, and I admire a lot of sports person. But the one which I admire the most is Virat Kohli. And why Virat Kohli? Because Virat Kohli is one of the most revered celebrities, not only in my country but across globe. And he is an Indian cricketer who has changed the way people used to look at cricket. Earlier, people used to look at cricket only with an angle of sports, but now they are seeing that cricketers are now the most fittest persons around them. So they are also a kind of inspiration for us. Virat Kohli has a lot of achievements under his name. He has most ODI centuries. Earlier, this record belonged to Sachin Tendulkar. Virat Kohli is one of the most successful captains of my country, and he is an inspiration for millions. And I can speak a lot of content about Virat Kohli, that he belonged to a very humble background. He has married a Bollywood actress, but still he is living an isolated life away from the limelight. He is giving very good upbringing to his children. So the content about Virat Kohli is going to be unlimited from my side. Whatever sports person you pick, make sure to do some good kind of research about the sport person because you will feel more comfortable while talking about the person. And the second topic, describe a good habit your friend has and you want to develop. Who your friend is, what habit he or she has, how you know it's a good habit, and explain why you want to develop. I will say one of my friends, Harshit. He is someone whom I admire a lot because his one habit, that is daily making a plan. Whatever he has to do whole day, he always makes a plan. Due to this, his work is always managed properly. I often ask him that what motivates him to make this daily plan. He always say that after making this daily plan, his chaotic life, that is problematic life, become very easy, and he prioritizes his work according to the plan only. And he is always able to complete his work before any deadlines. I want to develop this habit from him because I feel even I'm someone who never do works on proper time, and most of the times I feel really stressful, and I sometimes also get a lot of anxiety because whenever I know that a lot of work is pending and still I'm not doing that, I feel if I'm having lesson plan with me or daily plan with me, I can do my works very easily. And the third topic, describe a creative person whom you admire. Again, one of my friends whose name is Harshit. My suggestion is if the topics are regarding person and you're preparing about a person, always pick one person. If the topic is about places, always pick one place. If the topic is about experiences, always pick one experience. With this way, you will be able to make more content with limited stories. One of my friends, Aman, I admire him a lot. And the cues are who this person is, what creative thing he or she does, how you know him or her, and explain why you admire him or her. I will say Harshit is very creative and he is very innovative. I know him since my childhood. We both are really very good school friends. Even we studied in the college together. Harshit is fond of making sculptures and which are inspired by rock garden. Harshit is very popular in my college, and he is basically popular because the reason is he is very environment conscious person. He makes sculptures with the help of discarded bottles and discarded cans, which is very unique quality which he possesses. Also, he is very imaginative and practical. Whatever he say, he always do that. He always find beauty in discarded things. We the people we always see aesthetic things, but Harshit is someone who always see aestheticity or aesthetic appeal in the discarded things. He also got an appreciation from our district's mayor because of his creative activities, and he has got a lot of awards in the school as well as in the college for his creativity. These are the three topics, and I hope these are clear with you, because according to me, if you pick one person, then the content is going to be very, very easy for you. The fourth topic, describe a popular or well-known person in your country. My suggestion, there is no need to prepare any other content. In the first topic, we discussed about Virat Kohli, and Virat Kohli is one of the most popular and well-known sports person in my country. So in this topic, I'm going to speak about the well-known person, that is Virat Kohli, and content is going to be completely same. So my four cue cards are covered. Then the fifth topic, describe a person who inspired you to do something interesting. Again, the topics, this time the topics are more of persons in the start. Who this person is, what he or she inspired you to do, how he or she inspired you, and explain how you felt after doing it. I will say, again, the person is going to be Harshit, and the content is going to be very similar to the topic number second. But in the second topic, it was saying that describe a good habit your friend has, and in this topic, this is describe a person who inspired you to do something interesting. My friend Harshit inspired me to make a daily plan. So I hope you are relating that the same content which I spoke in the second topic is going to be in the fifth topic. I will say Harshit is one of the biggest motivators of my life. He inspires me, and he has inspired me actually to make a daily plan. I was struggling in a lot of things in managing my time effectively. So Harshit told me a very simple hack, that to manage the time, we should always prioritize our activities, and it is only possible by making a daily plan. He was doing the same from last couple of years, and for few days he made my daily plans because he knows me really well. So this is something which I will talk about, that he inspired me to write a daily plan. Sixth topic, describe an intelligent person you know. Again, Harshit, one of the biggest motivators of my life. His intelligence makes him unique. He takes decision very, very calmly and patiently. In his personal life and in his academic life as well, he always excels. There are a lot of individuals, not only of his age but also elder than him. They come to him to seek some advice. Harshit assesses situations very quickly, and he is also someone who has got a lot of awards from district's mayor. Also, I will talk that he has got a lot of state positions and state awards when we used to study together. So yes, I will say Harshit is one of the most intelligent persons I ever know. Seventh topic, describe a person who helps to protect the environment. Harshit, I will say, he is someone who helps to protect the environment. We the humans have damaged our environment. Today, rarely we see anyone taking care of environment or showing concern towards the environment. But Harshit is someone who always looks after the environment, because he always says that we are so occupied and so busy in making our lives and career that we always neglect the environment, and we are going to pay this someday. And I think he is right at his own place. Harshit runs his own NGO, whose chief motive is to spread awareness, and also he does plantation drives with his other members. He has got awards from various authorities, and he's very well known and revered among the society for the works he has done. So he is someone who helps to protect the environment. Eighth topic, describe a family member you want to study or work with in the future. The cues are who this person is, what work you want with him or her to do, how you think he or she will support you, and explain why you want to work with the family member. I will say that work is a place where one can learn a lot of things from others, and if I ever get the opportunity to work, I will work with my sister. She has done masters in arts, and she has very good command over English language. Currently, she is running her own coaching institute where she teaches English to students. And in the future, I would love to join her institute, because I've heard a lot of praise about her, how she manages her staff and how she manages the people around her. I would be really willing to join his institute as soon as and once I'm done with my studies. She's a very calm personality, and I guess I will learn patience and customer service from her. Ninth topic, describe a friend from your childhood, same as the sixth topic. The sixth topic basically was describe an intelligent person you know. That intelligent person, that creative person, all the persons I'm going to speak about, only the one person, that is Harshit. So Harshit is someone who is really close to me, and I will just add some more content, that how we guys met and what we do together when ever we go out or whenever we are sitting idle. Then Cusa, who this friend is, how you met him or her, what things you did together as children, and explain how you feel about the friendship now, because he is my childhood friend, so I have to speak that what kind of things we used to do in the childhood. 10th topic, describe a place in your country you would like to recommend others to the visitors. I will say Chandigarh. Chandigarh is one of the most beautiful cities I've ever visited in my life. Chandigarh has beautiful gardens, it has clean roads, it is situated in the northern part of my country, and it is the best place for visitors. Reason being, it is very well planned and highly aesthetic. The roads are covered with the trees. The side of the roads are covered with the trees. This city is surrounded by the mountains. It is famous for Sukna Lake, famous for rock garden, ideal place for the tourists to visit. Transportation is very cheap, so I don't think any of the tourists will ever feel burdened or for the expenses which most of us have to pay while going from one place to another when we are on the tourist spot. So these are the 10 topics from my side, and I hope these are very clear with you, because topics were very easy. But as I told you, there are total of 25 topics, and I have complete prediction for this October month for writing, listening, reading, and speaking. And I'm waiting for your messages, and I'm eagerly willing to share my prediction content with you. You can just comment prediction, or you can also WhatsApp me. I'm there to help you. Thank you so much, guys.